Monday. Today is the day that we finally put Randy's car, well, not we. That boy Randy finally takes his RSX in for paint. Right now we're gonna head up to a local U-Haul or any place with a trailer to get us a trailer so we can haul the damn car there. And are we gonna show him the color too, or no, it's gonna be a surprise?
Still red.
I hate when people do that shit.
Nah, nigga.
I hate when YouTubers be like, they be doing a reveal for their car and they don't even reveal the car of the video. I hate that shit, bro. Like, why? Like, your title is like car reveal, and then like you don't even reveal the car. You just oh my car looks great. Oh, you guys will love this. And then the next video.
Did put that boy clean on
I told you.
Their car.
Boosted Boys even liked my comment. They liked it. And they was like, yo, y'all should get a collab going. I was like, hey, bro. Super facts.
Pull up screaming, the weed don't equal to you. And just because you see us smoking, don't think we slipping for you. I caught you in my DMs trying to.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original
The link for a few. Cold face, she tryna. She had emojis included. That's why I stay so reclusive.
Yeah, boy. Alright, so we gotta get that onto that, but I don't know how we're gonna do it. So what we're thinking about doing is just pushing the car in the road and then putting it up there.
You can't drive a trailer.
You can't drive a trailer.
Bring it up here, bitch.
I can't drive no trailer. I'm Django today. You kinda somewhat know what we're doing. Kinda not. Kinda so. Whoa, slam guy. Wow, what up, Post Malone?
Wow, that's downgrade.
Damn, that boy look clean. It looks good like this. I like it. All you need now is a big wang. That boy ran lazy, boy. That boy Lewis is clean. Wow.
What's up?
Wow. Got one of the cleanest EFs in town too. Now he has a right-hand drive Miata. I don't know.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Yeah. Let's see if Randy know how to tow.
I don't.
Of course you don't. Oh, the board. Oh. That's scary, bro. So we made it to the place that we're gonna get Randy's car painted. It's called Wayne's Collision Center, I guess. I don't know. For all my locals, you guys know. And I don't know what color he's gonna do yet. So when we talk to some guy, Randy didn't even make an appointment to drop his car off. So we might not even be dropping this shit off. We're gonna see. Damn, dude. Beautiful. Jesus.
This one's pushing like 5 something. To the rear, it's probably a little shy of 5. This one's just a little plastic. This one was fully restored. He made the magazines in the 90s, and the same magazine pulled us up. They were wondering how the car was. Restored it. Just a fact.
This is Randy's paint quote. Boy got paid 4,500 bones. Well, he finna come out clean. What you think, Justin? Clean?
I don't know.
Come on, Posty.
For 4,500, it better be clean, bro.
You right, bro. When you going on tour? That boy Justin good, dog. On our way to drop off the trailer. And then from there, the video is closed and I start the process of the next video, which you'll be watching right after this video. But you have no idea what I'm talking about.
The same day. I'm just saying.
Well, that don't matter, I'm gonna change my shirt.
I'm not gonna change my shirt.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna change my shirt. So
I'm gonna put on my shirt. This is the same video. I mean, same day. Just cut the video.
Shut the hell up, Randy. Yeah, I'm gonna film me getting my engine. I gotta be a real YouTuber, bro. I gotta change my shirt and still film the same day so they feel like they're getting daily uploads.
You guys are not. He's lying to you guys.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys get ready to slide them.